Water is one of the most important resources for humans, not only because we need it to drink, but because we use it in many applications. But naturally, water is not usable for these applications. That's why we need to treat water in order to make it able to use in any of these purposes. Professor Jorge Abad, what is the importance of water treatment?
Okay, so for example, we have rivers and we have lakes and we have the ocean, and we have to treat our water because everything will go to the ocean. Very important that we can somehow preserve and conserve our water bodies. So it's very important to not only to study but also to implement measurements and how to reduce the contamination of the water bodies.
Here is where chemical engineering comes in. Chemical engineering is very important in water treatment. In order to have usable water, we need to remove salts, suspended solids, and biological agents. To do so, we need to change water conditions, and this is where we need chemical engineers. In our university, professors, researchers, and students are involved in projects related to water treatment. We asked some of them about their projects.
Sulfide-based minerals are often identified as generators of acid mine drainage in mining operations. However, these minerals can behave as efficient absorbents of heavy metals due to the affinity of sulfide toward other elements. In my research, sorption capacities of head-and-tailing minerals provided from a large-scale mining operation in Peruvian Andes was studied, exposing these samples to solutions containing copper.
When I was a first year at UTEC, I developed a project and it was all about feed extraction. This is a method you remove heavy metals from water with a special kind of plant, and it was my first approach to the chemical engineering.
Reverse osmosis is a membrane separation process used for desalinating water, be it seawater or brackish waters. The principle behind this process is that there is a membrane. A membrane is a special type of filter. Here is a reverse osmosis membrane that is contained inside this apparatus here. And this membrane, it is selective. What does this mean? This means that it allows water to cross across it, but it does not allow salt to cross it. And this is how the separation is achieved. So we have here our feed tank where we have salt water. Here we have the whole process, and at the end we obtain fresh water here in this tank.
We are studying chemical engineering. Would you join us?